all, good evening. So in this video, we're going to watch multiple choice question in research. I'll read the question now. Type 1 error occurs if dash. So they are asking about the type 1 error. Type 1 error means it's a false positive. See, the researcher is selecting the null hypothesis of the research study. Maybe it's supposed to be accepted, but by mistake, if it is rejected, then it is called as a type 1 error. See, null hypothesis means there is no any relationship between a dependent and independent variable. So, independent variable means which one will give the problem and which one will lead the problem, and dependent variable means which will be a problem. Right, smoking leads to lung cancer. Here, smoking is an independent variable and lung cancer is a dependent variable. So, if it is C, smoking leads to COPD, then it shows that it has a existing relationship, right? Because it has a more connection. But when it comes for smoking and GI bleeding, it won't have any relationship, right? So, smoking will not directly leads to GI problem, right? So, there is no any relationship between a smoking and GI, gastrointestinal problems. So, if you have selected this type of hypothesis, this is called as a null hypothesis. So, if you have selected this type of hypothesis in your research study, it should be accepted. It have to be accepted, but by mistake, if you are rejected this null hypothesis, then it's called as a type 1 error, right? We'll see the options. The null hypothesis is rejected even though it's true. We'll see the remaining options also. The null hypothesis is accepted even though if it is false. Both hypothesis as well alternative hypothesis are rejected. And none of the above. See which one will be the answer? Right. See, first one will be the answer because null hypothesis is rejected even though it's true. So, this is maybe an answer. Right? So, I hope you all are understood about the null hypothesis. If you need a further clarification, please comment your question in the chat box. I'll give the reply. Okay? See you all. Bye-bye. Thank you.